Namaste everyone, welcome back to Charisma. So in the last video we were weaving the middle part of this dream catcher. Today we will weave the sides. So the very first step is to make loops around the ring. For this we will follow the exact same method we did for the middle part. Holding the thread with one hand, passing the needle around the ring and passing it through the loop to make a knot. We will make such loops to the side of the ring and continue weaving as we did earlier. In case you have not watched my earlier video, I'll encourage you to watch the earlier video, the part 1, and then come to this video to understand it fully. Keep going this way all the way up. This is when you have reached one end. Keep weaving till the last loop. And then start tracing back the same way you came. Now, when you have gone almost 2 layers of the loop, then at this time, make a knot catching the inner ring. This will hold the web in its place nicely. And now trace back again. Here again, when we have reached the end, we will make a knot catching the inner loop and make a knot tightly. You can secure it with double knot. And keep weaving, tracing backward again. Finally, pass the needle to the back side and secure it with knots. Weave the other side also the same way. If you wish, you can decorate it with some beads. I've added 3 pom-pom tassels here. Feel free to use any feather or tassels of your choice. Thank you for watching. I hope you are inspired by this video. Please subscribe if you have not done already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.